In this session, we're looking at store parameters or default settings. We're going to go to point of sale, POS setup, and then we're going to click on default settings, or better known as store parameters. In other words, these are the default options for your point of sale. First of all, store individual sales for X amount of days. You specify here the days you want your view sales or your POS reports to be stored. If you type in here 30 days, those reports will only be kept for 30 days. The next option we're looking at is live updating of sales. The default is on. If this option is off, we will store the sales for the day for you in a temporary file. Once you do your end of day, we will update your stock files and, for instance, if it was account sales update, what those clients owe you. But if it's on, we will immediately make the changes to your stock. We will immediately make the changes to the debtors if it was an account sale. This is a little bit slower in processing, but you find that if you look what is on hand in IQ and you look what's on the shelf, it then should be the same. Otherwise, if this is off, you will have to do your end of day and then check your figures. The next option we're looking at is allow switching on and off of the POS printer. This will display a button on the sales screen where the cashier can click on and manipulate the printer. The next option, ask for rep. In other words, if you want to have the ask for rep on, the cashier will select the rep who now gets commission on the sale. If it's off, you can also perhaps give commission to the cashier. So that's your choices. Then the next option specifies allow line comment. This will allow you to have an extra block that will display or allow you to type in extra information on the item you selected. Just remember that this is going to slow down processing. The next option we're looking at is display sales totals exclusive of VAT. If this is on, your totals on your receipt will be exclusive of VAT. And that concludes this session on store parameters looking at the sales options.